Are you God? One cold evening during the holiday season, a little boy about 6 or 7 was standing out in front of a store window. The little child had no shoes and his clothes were mere rags. A young woman passing by saw the little boy and could read the longing in his pale blue eyes. She took the child by the hand and led him into the store. There she bought him some new shoes and a complete suit of warm clothing. They came back outside into the street and the woman said to the child, "Now you can go home and have a very happy holiday." The little boy looked up at her and asked, "Are you God?" She smiled down at him and replied, "No, son, I'm just one of his children." The little boy then said, "I knew you had to be some relation.